I'll guide you through habit tracking Todoist. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to www.todoist.com. Wait for the home page to fully load. If you already have an account, click Login at the top right corner. Enter your email and password, then click Login again to access your dashboard. If you're new, click Start for free and enter your email address. Create a password, then follow the setup instructions to complete registration. Once logged in, go to the left sidebar and click the plus icon next to My Projects, then select Add Project. Name the project Habits, and choose a color to organize it visually. After the project is created, click the gear icon, select Settings, then go to the Integrations tab. Click Browse, search for Habit Tracker, and press Add. Authorize the integration to activate it. Return to your Habits project and click Add Task. Enter a habit name like Meditate and set the due date to every day. Click the 3 dots on the task and choose Track Habit. Then apply the label Streak, so each completion updates your habit streak.